This is what I call an Audi. Luxury, performance, reliability, and a lot of fun. The unit that I'm driving today comes with a 3.2 V6 naturally aspirated gasoline engine with direct injection, 265 horsepower and 330 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in a little over 6 seconds. Yeah, I know, not that much torque, but trust me, it sounds awesome. "18-inch wheels, 3-spoke Audi S-Line steering wheel and Quattro all-wheel drive as standard. The car is extremely agile, extremely precise, the steering is absolutely perfect. Stability and handling in this car is annoyingly good. Quattro simply makes this car feel as if it's glued to the road. The A5 Coupe has a lower center of gravity and a lower driving position compared to other Audi models that I've driven, well, not as low as the TT, but lower than I expected at first. Full leather interior, multimedia interface, paddle shifters, a Tiptronic automatic transmission, dual climate control, and the list of features goes on. The price for the model that I'm driving today, used from 2010 with the same mileage, is anywhere around 10 to 11,000 euros. Personally, this 3.2 engine is my favorite one from Audi. Not too big, not too thirsty, reliable, sounds good, it can be economical if you drive without breaking the speed limits. In 30 kilometers I managed to get 17 liters per 100 kilometers, but if you're cruising in 6th gear you can get as low as 7 liters per 100 kilometers. So the average fuel consumption for this car is anywhere around 13 liters per 100 kilometers. Now, the downsides of this car, I have found only two. First of all, the car is extremely rigid and bumpy. If you're planning to drive this car for over 1000 kilometers, it will be really tiring at some point. And the second one, the car looks pretty big, but the space in the interior is pretty small. It's simply not enough. This car can perfectly fit 2 adults plus some luggage, but that's it. So let me know in the comment section if you have any further questions. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.